This evening I am very glad to introduce about myself. I am Christopher Gaud Peru, a missionary for India, working with Ain God Good Ministries. This is the land where we got for the constructing building of Leach Chapel Baptist Bible College. We thank God and we praise God for God opened the doors and wonderfully He lead to us to this land. And this is the land we got for the without any payment. And God wonderfully answered for our prayers. And God lead to a man who is doing a dog physician over in this town, and God spoke to him, and he also impressed with our ministry, and he came forward to donate this land. We thank God and praise God, and also we extending our greetings and we thank to the Leach Chapel Baptist Church back at USA, and we thank them, and we also thank to the Pastor Danny and his family for their dedication to this ministry. And please continue to pray for this construction of this Leach Chapel Baptist Bible College. We are planning and praying to finish off of this work, construction work within the this coming year. Please be in prayer for this construction work. We thank Thee and we glory to the God.